I think we must go for smaller states. I am in favor of smaller states. If America can have 50 states, which is 1/3 of our size, I think why should we not have 50 or more states in India? There are many areas where there is a demand for separate state. I have counted, it comes to almost 30. It is about 30. Haryana Pradesh, Awadh, Purvanchal, Bundelkhand, that's about UP. And many other states, I don't want to name everybody. In our eastern region, for example, or the northeastern region, demands for separate states. Gorkhaland, Kamtapur, Bodoland, Karbi Anglong, Garoland, my own tribe, is a Dimasa, Kukiland. So many demands are there. Vidarbha, I have been supporter of Vidarbha for the last 20 years. And I had the privilege of going into Vidarbha's feasibility in detail because the late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi asked me to study and give him a personal report unofficially. I did it. And I strongly recommended for the creation of Vidarbha. Even today, I strongly support the creation of Vidarbha. My suggestion, sir, is that the government of India should appoint the second State Reorganization Commission and let the State Reorganization Commission go into all the demands for the creation of new states.